Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. Welcome back for another great video about reselling online. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Quenby and I'm a part-time reseller. I sell mostly clothing and accessories online on sites like eBay and Poshmark, and I've been doing it for 10 years. Friends, that is a long time. And in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the one single thing that has come along in these past 10 years that has been a total game changer for my reselling business, and that is VENDOO. VENDOO is a cross-posting software. It is so easy to use, and I'm going to teach you all about it in this video today. I'm going to talk a little bit about why I use it, and then I'm going to take you through like a step-by-step tutorial and show you how I use VENDOO to take anything I have listed on eBay and in about 1 minute, cross-post it over to Poshmark. It is the one tool that really allows you to scale your business because you get your items in front of more buyers across different platforms. And if you're able to do that, you're going to sell more and make more money. It's that simple. So I'm really happy to be collaborating today with VENDOO on this video to show you just how easy it can be to make more money using a very simple software called VENDOO.
Okay, so hello everybody. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, then you gotta subscribe, and make sure to like and subscribe. Even all these chickens have subscribed, so make sure to like and subscribe.
So I do want to share just a little bit of my story with you because maybe some of you will be able to relate. So in this tutorial, I'm going to take you through two important things that I do with VENDOO: cross-posting and also deleting and relisting. But first, let's have a little talk. But I'm pretty busy, and sometimes when someone suggests something new, like a new thing to try in the reselling world, I'm like, I don't know if I can do it. I have a full-time job as a psychotherapist. I have my YouTube channel, which takes time. I have my reselling business. I have a 9-year-old son, so I'm just as busy as many of you are. And when someone first mentioned the idea of trying something new, like a cross-posting service, I was like, I don't know if I can take on any more. But then I was open-minded enough to give it a try, and I'm so glad I did, friends, because it is just so easy. I can't emphasize enough how quick and easy it is. In a few moments, I'm going to take you over to my computer and show you exactly how I cross-post my items from eBay to Poshmark, and it takes me less than 1 minute to do each one. And I promise you it has really increased my sales and changed my business. I do have a link in my description section for 25% off, so it's super inexpensive. You can even just try it for a month and see if you make more sales, see if you like it, and then choose to continue. I honestly, friends, was kicking myself that I didn't do it sooner. So let's just get into this. Come along with me. This is going to be fun. It's going to be amazing. You're going to love it. Okay, here we are on the main page of VENDOO. On the inventory page, we want to bring over my newest listings from eBay to Poshmark. So we're going up here to new item, from eBay, active items, and it's going to bring up my recent eBay listings. We're going to choose which ones to import. So for the purposes of this video, I'll bring over this Free People top, North Face jacket, and Lila P top. I go down here to import items. I've selected 3, and I'm going to hit import. This is the part that takes a few minutes. This entire VENDOO process is so quick and easy, friends, but importing items, depending on the speed of your internet, can take a few moments. So now that they're imported, I'm just going to go back to the inventory page, and here are the items. You can see by this logo here that it's listed on eBay, but it's not listed on Poshmark. So I'll open this up. And look at all the places you can cross-post to, friends. eBay, Etsy, Poshmark, Mercari, Grailed, Depop, Tradesy, Kitizen. That's just amazing. I'm going to click on Poshmark because that's where I'm cross-posting to. If you wanted to edit your photos, you could brighten them up here. Often you do have to shorten your title because Poshmark does not allow you as many characters for a title. So I'll just delete some of these. And then here is my description. It imports it right in. Most of the information is here for me, like the brand, the condition, the color I need to fill in. This one is black. You could do a secondary color here. And I'm going down to what type of jacket this is. This jacket I'll put. The size I'm going to fill in. I think this is a 2XL, is that right? Yep, 2XL. I got this in a Thredup box, lucky me. The original price, I'll put $148, and I'm going to ask $65. And then I go down here and I list on Poshmark. It takes about less than a minute to do each one. I can go back to the inventory right away, but I just want to show you that it says it is listed and you could view it. Now I'll go back to the inventory. Look how quickly I can do another one, this Lila P top. I'm going to list it on Poshmark. I'm going to shorten the title. I take the word women, men, children's out because Poshmark categorizes it for me. Just going to take out some of these keywords because Poshmark doesn't give us quite enough characters. Everything's imported from my description. The primary color is white. Let me just scroll down so you can see how quick and easy this is. Maybe you're following along. That would be fun. And I'd say this is a button-down shirt. The size is standard and large. The original price was probably about $128, and I am asking $30. And then I'm going to go and hit list on Poshmark. And this time I trust it, so I'm going to go back to my inventory. See how now there is a Poshmark symbol here, and this one will be listed, and another Poshmark symbol will come up here. It's that easy. It's so great. Okay, so what do you think? Cross-posting from eBay to Poshmark is pretty easy and simple, right? It's like a no-brainer. It's just been amazing for me. The other thing that has been so helpful for me is deleting old stale listings, things that haven't sold. And I sold off so much of my old stuff. It was the most satisfying thing because if you've already taken all the time and invested this time in getting this item listed, you need to get it sold. It's just as important as bringing in new stuff, right? Because we don't want to be a storage business where we're just storing and hoarding tons of inventory. We want to get that stuff sold. So when you go in there, delete it, or relist it as a new listing, you can watch those things sell. It was so satisfying because I store my inventory, you guys, in clear bins, and they were overflowing. I'm like, I have over 1,000 listings on eBay. I need to get this stuff sold. I just watched those bins get emptier and emptier while I focused on selling off my old sales stuff. So let me show you how I do this with VENDOO. We'll go over to my computer again. We'll take a look at how easy this is. Come along, friends, let's do it. Okay, friends, so here I am on VENDOO's main inventory screen again, and I am looking at things that are Poshmark listed. I hit this little Poshmark box, and I'm looking for items that have been listed for a while and haven't sold. I've maybe already sent out offers. I can't send out any more offers to these people, but they're good items and I want them to sell. So I'm going to delete them and relist them as brand new listings, which all these algorithms love. So let's take a look at this moth sweater, size large Anthropology. Let's click on here, and you can see that it's listed on Poshmark. I'm going to click Poshmark here. And then I'm going to go down to the bottom of the screen where it says delist on Poshmark. Click. Are you sure you want to delist? Yes. And then it will tell me that it's delisted. So I'm going to go up to the top, and I can simply just relist this if I wanted to. If I wanted to double check things, I could look at my pictures, see if they need to be brightened up, make sure my title is good, my description. And on this one, it all looks pretty good. My price, $29. And so I'm just simply going to hit relist on Poshmark. It will take just a moment to do. And then I can view the listing by clicking this yellow button if I want. And here it is, updated 9 seconds ago. Let's go back to the inventory and do another one since it's so easy and so fast. And I've sold many things using this method. For example, here's this Eileen Fisher sweater, size medium, a great item. I'm on Poshmark. I'm going to go down to the bottom of the screen. I am going to delist on Poshmark and confirm that. So sometimes if something hasn't sold in a while, you might want to take your time really editing the photos, adding good keywords, maybe something else to your description, anything that might help get it sold. But in this case, I think it's pretty good. I'm going to maybe take my price down to $40 on this one and be happy taking an offer of like $35. And then I'm just going to relist on Poshmark. So what is this taking, 20 or 30 seconds to have my listings deleted and relisted with a new number. And if I go over here to my closet, you will see, if I refresh for you, here's that moth sweater, and the Eileen Fisher will also be listed at the top of my closet because it's a brand new listing. So it's that easy to use. I love you, VENDOO. Okay, so you see how easy it is to delist an older item that hasn't sold and relist it, give it a brand new number, get it boosted up in the algorithm on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Depop, Citizen, whichever platform you're selling on, because you already spent money on that item. You already took time to photograph it and list it. Why not get it sold? Some people have this idea that everything sells eventually on eBay, they'll say, and it's like, yeah, that's true, and you can wait it out. But for me, I'd rather be a little bit proactive using a software like VENDOO that's super easy and do what I can to get that stuff sold. And my experience, my honest experience, you guys, is that I sold through a ton of my old stuff. Okay, friends, so I presented all this information, and now I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What do you think of this? Are you someone who wants to grow, wants to scale, but you're not exactly sure how? This really might be a good option for you. Be sure to leave any questions or comments you have in the comment section of this video. And remember, I have a link for 25% off, so you can try this even for 1 month and see if it's right for you. Another thing that I suggest is to follow them over on Instagram, because one of the reasons I was so happy to work with VENDOO is that I really like their company. I can see on Instagram all the cool things they're doing. Like, for example, on Mother's Day, they had like 50% off for all mothers. Or during Black Lives Matter, which is a continued effort, they've donated money to Black Lives Matter. They're just a company that I feel actually really proud of to work with and collaborate with. And I think you will be too. So I definitely recommend finding VENDOO over on Instagram. And on your way out, be sure to leave us a comment, like this video, and let me know if you have any questions or any way that I can help you. I'm really sharing this because I totally believe in it. When I learn something that really helps me grow and scale and make more sales and more money, I'm just so excited about it, and I want to share it with you. So I'd love to hear from you. Let us know what you think. And as usual, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Bye, friends.